What do you call someone that jerk chicken?
Oh my gosh. That I don't know. A chicken jerker.
A chicken jerker.
Hey!
Wagwan people.
Welcome back to our channel.
Forward in.
For those of you that are new and just joining us, I'm Jen.
And I'm Julius. Now today, we, and when I say we, I mean me, we're gonna challenge to see how Jamaican my wife is. Yep, that's right. Today we're gonna challenge her to see how much she know about the culture.
I got this.
Okay, we'll see about that. So I've created 10 to 15 questions. Depending, let's see. Some are easy, some are a little bit hard, but you know, it's a must know. It doesn't matter who you are. If you're a loved one of a Jamaican, if you're a Jamaican overseas, and if you're even a Jamaican in Jamaica, you should know these. They're pretty simple. Okay, if you're following along, you can play it too. We also have a point system where it depends on the amount of question that she get correctly. We're gonna decide if she's a Jamaican or not. So you have the tourist. If she get like 2 or 3 questions correctly, we have the yardie package, where if she get like say 7 or 8,
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall in that category.
and if she get the everything correct, what me call her? I don't know. Leave down in the comment section below what should I name her if she get everything correctly. Let's start it off easy. I'm gonna start her easy. Name Jamaica's national fruit. Come on, no laughing.
It's gotta be Aki.
Aki.
That's the national dish of Jamaica, but this girl is not a fan.
So she got away. She got away. So moving on to the next question. Have you ever eaten sugar cane? And what does it taste like?
Yes, it's super chewy, and I didn't like it.
It's super chewy.
It's like, it gets like almost like stringy, strawy, like you suck the sugar out of it, and it's like, it's very like grainy. I don't know how to explain it. But you gave it to me one time when we were in Jack's Hall.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, we were either Jack's Hall or
Richmond
Estate. Yeah, you went to the supermarket and you brought it back.
Yeah, so even though she got 2 correct.
Listen, I'm on a roll, baby.
No,
let's go.
Like she got 2 correct, but she doesn't like the Aki. Uh-oh. She doesn't like sugar cane. So it's still a bit a rocky road. Let's see if she's gonna improve that one.
I do like jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. What do you know about jerk chicken? All right, okay. She loves jerk chicken. We're gonna test her knowledge of jerk chicken.
Bring it, baby.
What do you call someone that jerk chicken?
Oh my gosh. That I don't know. A chicken jerker.
A chicken jerker. A chicken jerker. Come on.
I don't know, babe. That I don't know. That's a hard one. Come on.
Every Jamaican knows.
That's a hard one.
The person that jerk chicken, you call them jerky.
Okay. Well, chicken jerker, jerky is kind of the same thing.
Jerky. It's just like if someone is cooking soup, you say. If they're cooking soup, you say soupy, or you know, whatever it is.
That I didn't know.
Of course, now you know. So,
come on.
All right, moving on. You need to do better. How does a Jamaican point?
With his head or her head.
No, I want you to show me how. What? How do you point with your head?
This.
You're like,
hang on.
No.
How?
With their mouth. The Jamaican point with their mouth. You say, yo, wait.
But babe, as any Jamaican would say, the mouth is part of the head.
What? No. No excuse.
Wait,
she got that wrong. She got that wrong. You're not gonna come out here like no, you don't point that way.
Julius would be like, my arm hurts. And then I'm like, well, where? Like, show me where. And it's his hand.
No.
And I'm like, that's your hand. And he says, no, but your hand is part of your arm.
No, I said my hand. I said my hand. My hand hurt, right?
Babe, I got that one right.
No, she did. You don't.
Okay.
You gotta use your mouth. You come and say, hey, what gender? You go like, all right, next question. What is a Dutchy?
Pass the Dutchy on the left hand side. No. It's gonna be a joint.
It's not no joint. It's not no joint.
Babe, come on.
Come on, you need to do better.
Babe,
really?
It's hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I've never heard of it. The only Dutchy I've heard of is either pass the Dutchy on the left hand side.
It's not pass the Dutchy, it's pass the Cutchy. The Cutchy is the joint. The Dutchy is a pot.
What?
It's a pot.
Okay. Well, I guess I don't know. I have a feeling I'm like leaning more towards tourists. Babe, you said some were gonna be easy.
I said it. Some gonna be easy, some gonna be hard. And these are conversations that we had before.
We never had that conversation.
Yes. I remember me, you, and April. April, you're watching.
April, you better chime in the comments, girlfriend, because I don't think we've had this conversation before.
We had the same discussion about the Cutchy and the Dutchy song, where it's talking about pass the Cutchy, and they're always singing it's a Dutchy. A Dutchy is the pot, the Cutchy is the joint, or a spliff, we would call it. Anyways, moving on to the next question. What's the official language of Jamaica?
Patois.
Oh my God, you should know this. I said official language.
English.
Yeah, but you said patois.
Well, that was a trick question.
It was a trick question. You just need to listen, right?
Can you give me some easier questions, please?
Easy?
Yeah.
That was easy. That was like the easiest of it all. Everybody knows the Jamaican patois and whatever saga. All right, moving on. Next question. Name 5 things Jamaica is famous for. You have to get all 5 correct.
Bob Marley. Jeez. The beaches.
Ding!
Jerk chicken.
Ding!
Red Stripe.
Ding!
That crazy old J. Ray nephew.
Ding! Alright, so she got that one correct. We're trying to figure out if we should bring her to the fish fry or not. Let's see if we're
I'm going to the fish fry, okay?
You might go, but they're probably gonna look at you like she doesn't know anything. Alright, I'm gonna make it easier on you. When did Jamaica gain independence? Come on, you need to know this.
Hang on, I have to do some basic math here.
When did Jamaica gain independence?
I need to do some basic math.
I'll wait.
I think you guys just celebrated your 85th?
85th?
Yeah.
85th? 85th?
Isn't it? Babe, isn't it?
Come on, think about it.
2 hours later.
I don't know, baby.
I'm gonna make it easy. Just the year.
Hey.
Not the month, nor the day. Just the year.
You were expecting the month of the day as well?
Yes.
Oh, no, I don't know. I can tell you the month and the day.
But not the year.
No.
That's not, it's important, but that's not really
August
the important
6th?
part.
August 6th.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You got my attention now. Keep going.
August 6th. Oh, geez.
You want me to help you with part of it?
Yeah.
19.
80. 50.
August 6th, 1962.
62. So, oh, okay. I was way off.
Have you ever eaten kalaloo?
Yes.
What does Callaloo taste like?
It tastes like
How does it look?
it's dark green. And some white is in there too.
White.
I don't know.
White from what? Oh, yeah, probably from the
sometimes.
saltfish.
And it's like wet leaves.
Wet leaves. Wet leaves.
Yeah, it's like wet leaves.
All right, she got that one.
It was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Moving on to the next question. And I think this is probably the final question. Name 5 tours and our attractions, no less.
Dunn's Rivers Falls. Bob Marley tour. Hang on.
To make it easy, it's tours and also attractions.
Okay, Dolphins Cove.
Okay.
Rick's Cafe.
Okay.
You know it, babe.
Come, you need one more.
I know. Hang on. I'm thinking. He never took me to attractions. So.
Excuse you? I did.
What's that bobsled? Okay, Blue Hole.
Blue Hole?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Blue Hole?
No, you never took me.
So how do you know about Blue Hole?
Because I seen it on the internet, baby.
Alright, she also got that one correct. She's worried because she might not be coming to the fish fry.
Oh, I'm going to the fish fry. You better believe it.
Alright, I'm gonna make it
2 bonus questions.
2 bonus questions. Yeah. Alright,
if I get these 2, I'm going to the fish fry, baby.
And if you don't,
then I need to come try again another time.
Easy question. What is the motto of Jamaica?
Out of many one people.
And she got that one correct.
Nice.
Nice. So you can start picking out your clothes and decide what you're gonna wear.
But I don't eat fish.
But before you get the invite,
jerk me some chicken.
Jerk chicken. Of course we can do jerk chicken. One last question. Probably gonna be a little bit hard.
Of course.
Because I specifically choose this question because I know she might not know it, but it is also for you guys to know it. So I want you to check yourself and see how many questions you know. Jamaica is located 90 miles south of which Caribbean country?
90 miles south.
I'm going to give you the options. You have Puerto Rico, Bahamas, Cuba, or Haiti.
It's Cuba.
Think about your answer.
It's Cuba.
It's Cuba?
Yeah. I've only flown over it so many times. So let me know.
And she's correct.
Am I invited to the fish fry?
She's definitely invited to the fish fry.
Am I invited as a tourist or am I invited?
She's invited as a yardie.
What?
Yard man thing. No, yard woman thing. See? She's definitely a yardie. She got 7 questions correct. And a few wrong ones which she should have known. You'll be the judge.
I probably should have.
But also judge yourself. You know, how many did you get correctly? How many did you not? Are you a Jamaican? Are you a tourist? Put it down in the comment section below.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for our next video drop.
Yeah, we have some crazy content coming, guys. You don't want to miss that one. So just hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned until we see you next time. Come on, buy it.
Babe.
What?
I thought you were gonna like ask me
It is
parishes. So if I'm not invited to the fish fry
you know it's because she doesn't know when Jamaica gained independence.
If I'm not invited this time, I promise you we will study and I'll be invited next time. We're gonna cut this question.
How much you got wrong already?
Just 2.
3. 3. And she only got 2 correct. So we're moving on.
Guess what? You're getting quizzed on Canada.
That's okay. I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
We'll
see about that.